Ready to unlock the secrets of your website's performance and understand your audience better? Today, we're going to be pairing Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager, the ultimate power couple for website data. First things first, let's jump into Google Tag Manager. If you don't have an account, create one. Once logged in, you'll see your container, which holds all your tags, triggers, and variables. Inside your Tag Manager account, you'll want to navigate to the Tags section, then click New to create a new tag. This is where we'll start setting up our Google Analytics configuration. Now, click Tag Configuration and scroll through the options. You should see a bunch of different tag options. Select Google Analytics GA4 Configuration. This is the first step, allowing us to configure GA4. Next, let's grab our measurement ID from Google Analytics. Switch over to your Google Analytics account, navigate to the admin section, and then click on Data Streams. Select your website data stream, and you will find the crucial measurement ID. Copy this ID. Hop back to Google Tag Manager and paste the measurement ID into the provided field in your GA4 configuration tag. You can also configure other settings such as tracking cookies, but you may not need to make any adjustments here. Now, let's set up a trigger. Click on the triggering box and then the plus icon in the top right to create a new trigger. Select All Pages as the trigger type. Name your trigger All Pages and save it. This will ensure that the tag fires on every page of your website, collecting data across your entire site. Going back and saving the tag, it is now ready to collect analytics data. Make sure you give your tag a clear, descriptive name like GA4 Configuration. Now, the last and most important step, let's submit and publish your container. Click Submit in the top right corner, add a descriptive version name and description, and click Publish, and there you have it. Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager are now working together. This setup is your foundation for deeper insights into your website. Visitors, now you can go into your analytics account and explore the data and monitor your website performance.